Hi everyone, as you can see I'm down at the pool. I'm about to test the chemicals and I've picked a fine time to make my debut video for YouTube. Yeah, this is a new channel that I'm starting and have people follow my adventures in my house. I bought my dream home quite a few years ago now, and it's a renovator, and hopefully you'll follow me renovating, cleaning the place up. And this is a short video. It's my introductory version or first time. I've only say a few things, but hopefully I'll say more and get you guys to see more as I film and explain more as well. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so off we go, test the videos. Good afternoon everybody. That's empty. That's the right one. Okay, pool is running low on chemicals. I'm getting ready for summer, but it's a bit overcast today. It's not a good day at all actually. Pool's looking good. I know it's got enough chlorine in it, but all the other chemicals need some work. So let's have a look and test them. Gotta get this right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Not looking too bad. Oh, for chlorine, but certainly need not a pH. We need some work with that. Definitely need more. The alkalinity is low, and the stabilizer is lowish. Okay, well, it's off to Bunnings to collect some chemicals. I'll take you for a quick trip there and we'll come back and put them in the pool. Did I mention that it's Christmas? This is going to be another little project that we'll tackle later on, but not right now. Okay, I'm in the pool section, and the reason I'm whispering is because I'm embarrassed, because it's the first time I'm vlogging in public. Okay, let's have a look. Here we are at the, I'll just flip the phone around. We need alkalinity increasing. Grab a couple of bags of those and stabilizer. Whoops, sorry. That'll be enough for now. Okay, well, that'll do for this moment. For pill chemicals and vlogging. Ciao. And yes, I have a Bunnings hat. Okay, I'm back home and I've got the supplies. Just going to run down to the pool filter and switch that on. And it's not on. I've just come down to the pool filter and because I wanted to turn it on because you need to have the filter running while you add chemicals, but the power supply has gone out. That's because I'm on a tariff which cuts off the power when they decide, gives you a cheaper electricity bill at the end of the day. Wow, cheaper. Okay, we'll have to do it tomorrow. See ya. You need to have the filter running while you're pushing chemicals around the pool. Pressure's good. Okay. Just grab my stuff. And we'll start off with the alkalinity increaser, which is just bicarb. With the bicarb, we can throw it straight into the pool because you don't need to let it dissolve in buckets. So we just throw that straight in. Oh, it's nice and humid. At least the temperature's come down a bit. Active ingredient is sodium bicarbonate. stabiliser needs to be mixed with water and dissolved before you put it in the pool. Just get my stirring stick. Chemical reaction. It goes rock hard, so it has to spend some time in the bucket before I can put it in the pool. Okay, and because I've got 2 bags of stabiliser, I am going to use 2 buckets. I want to give it plenty of room in the bucket so the powder can stir. Love it how it bubbles. Yeah, here goes my potion. There goes the bag. That's stirred really nicely. This one's looking a bit thick. I'll just put the camera down. Even if it goes hard in the bucket, eventually it breaks down over a couple of hours into a nice slush, and you can pour it straight in and then sweep it around. All right. All right, that's it for now. Don't want to bore you guys. It's about 9:30 at night and I forgot to put the stabiliser in the pool, so I've come down now. Just going to put it in and we'll call it a night. Glad I've got that out of the way. I'll catch you tomorrow and we'll do some more work. Ciao.